Actually, naagid diri sa atoa because of our seizure of atong operations daghan yun since Davao City, residents of Davao City has the capacity to pay and to purchase illegal drugs. As mentioned earlier, the Talaingod and the Bukidnon Road is one of our entry points of any illegal items. So that's why ang atong drug group leader na dakpan way back 2 months ago, who is also a resident of Tagum, Davao del Norte. So we were closely coordinating yun with our COP sa Tagum City and Davao del Norte PPO for the identification of these personalities. Daghan gyud sa tinuod lang daghan gyud og drug personalities in Davao del Norte, and the bulk of some of our operations next to Davao City is also in Tagum City. So amo alang gyud ning